To Kashmir, where a blanket of snow covered several areas, particularly Gulmarg, Sonmarg and also Leh, after a fresh spell of snowfall marking the onset of Chilai Kalan. Really has been reported from Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh regions. Video of fresh snowfall in the hill station of Baramulla also shows a landscape covered in shades of white. We have our colleague Ishan Vani joining us live from Gulmarg. Ishan, take us through what you see around. Chilai Kalan is the toughest winter phase of 40 days that one talks about from Jammu and Kashmir. How do people really deal with it? And we cannot really see anything behind you, and such is that entire haze that has been created because of the snow.
Well, absolutely right. There's a little haze, but also there is all of the Gulmarg bowl has turned white. You see behind me, these are the group of tourists who have come from across the country and are learning the art of skiing in Gulmarg. It's the first major snowfall in this bowl of Gulmarg, which is 1 kilometer drive from Srinagar. Tourists excited, enjoying, but now I hope you can see. I mean, I'm sure that people getting jealous seeing me here in Gulmarg, but this is the most exciting time about the hill stations of Kashmir Valley. Be it the Pahalgam, be it Gulmarg, everywhere it has been covered in a white blanket of snow. You absolutely said it right that it is Chilai Kalan, the harshest winter period of 40 days, when the temperatures will dip up to -5 in the city and can go beyond that. But you see, excited to learn, a trainer teaching them how to ski, and this is an exciting part about snowfall in Kashmir. I'll also show you one of the beautiful features that I caught my eye. Look at this young boy, must be 5-6 years old, trying to learn ski on this baby slope. This is the baby slope from where the training begins. It's all turned white, and before we switched on to this story, it was all open, but this is the scene at Gulmarg. Generally, when it's winter, you can't predict how the weather is going to be. There's a bit of snow also falling all around, a little bit of clouds getting over, but it all looks mesmerizing. Even the AQI, people in Delhi, Noida, is 48. We just checked the AQI in Gulmarg is just 48. So if you're planning your holidays, if you're planning to escape Delhi, if you're planning to escape any part of the country, come to Kashmir, and that's why you will get to see Kashmir's beauty, which is beyond the lens. You can just capture some part of this beauty in the lens, but beyond this is beautiful, it's mesmerizing, is that part of the year when tourists really enjoy. We'll also speak to some of them. Hopefully we have some time with the story. You'll see them enjoying in the snow. It's hard to move, and we'll speak to you. आप कहाँ से आए हैं आप?
मैं आया हूँ रजनीश, मैं आया हूँ यूपी से।
जी, कैसा लगा आपको? यहाँ पे बर्फबारी हुई है, शायद आप काफी टाइम से प्लान कर रहे थे।
जी
काफी टाइम से प्लान कर रहे थे कश्मीर आने का?
सर मैं क्या मेरा हेलो
जी जी, बताइए बताइए।
मैं क्या बोलूँ, मैं बहुत बेहद खुश हूँ। मैं जौनपुर से आया हूँ, जौनपुर यूपी, जहाँ पे काशी विश्वनाथ माता शीतला रहती है, मैं वहाँ से आया हूँ।
तो कैसा लगा आपको? आपके दोस्तों से भी पूछेंगे कि कैसा लगा आपको कश्मीर?
ये कश्मीर हमको बहुत अच्छा लगा, और मैं तो इंतजार कर रहा था बर्फबारी होने का। हम लोग आए, कल ही पता चला कि बर्फबारी हुआ। बहुत अच्छा लगा, बहुत अच्छा लगा।
सपना था वो पूरा हो गया।
डर लगा आपको कुछ यहाँ पे?
कुछ नहीं डर, अरे मोदी जी हैं तो क्या डर है।
तो आप कुछ बर्फ के साथ खेल भी रहे थे। There is a bit of snow. You know, Griha, why Kashmir snow is beautiful is because it's soft, and that's why skiing activities and snowboarding activities take place during this point of time. So this will now begin and mark a new revival of tourism in Kashmir, which is definitely going to go a long way, because post Pahalgam attack, it had come to a little halt, but this winter season, particularly the snowfall, is all set to reconnect Kashmir and reconnect tourists back to Kashmir, who say that they are not scared and Kashmir is beautiful and there's nothing to worry about.
Right, absolutely, Ishan. Thank you so much for bringing us all those updates from that snow-capped Kashmir.